Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Robinhood to a Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Tangem is smarter than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring Solana safely and efficiently in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone and your Tangem wallet set up and ready. Always double-check that your Tangem wallet is connected and you have your recovery phrase handy, just in case. Now, open the Robinhood app and log in to your account. Head over to your portfolio and find your Solana holdings. It's usually under the Crypto tab. Tap on it to select the amount you want to transfer. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This might be in a menu or directly on the asset page, depending on Robinhood's 2025 updates. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your Tangem wallet address. Pro tip: copy and paste this address from your Tangem app to avoid any typos, which could send your Solana to the wrong place. Yikes. After entering the address, specify the amount of Solana you want to send. Robinhood will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to a couple of hours in 2025's blockchain environment. Once the transaction is processing, switch over to your Tangem wallet app. You should see the incoming Solana shortly. To verify, check the transaction history on both Robinhood and a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Solana to a more secure spot. A quick word of caution: always use this on a secure network and never share your wallet details. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.